Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Step 4 is going to be the customizing the actual content, or it could be the widgets that you are having on your portal. You decide what you would like to show, what all you would like to display. That part of customization can be done. And again, what comes to my rescue is the IVY. Because I cannot open all the available harnesses, I cannot keep checking everything. I could just use simple Live UI option to identify the appropriate rule. It could be just a layout, it could be a menu option. I can open it and I can customize it. All these 4 steps are related to the customization part. You can deal with all of these things. You can decide the menu options. Because the left side, I see a lot of things here. I see new dashboard work documents. For every application, I can change the logo of your application. I should promote my own brand. The replacement of logos is definitely a part of customization. Then the dashboard that you see the widgets. Dashboard widgets that a manager looks at or probably any specific user looks at. That also can be manipulated according to the requirement. All of these things that we have done relating to the customization part when creating new harnesses and changing the logo's background. Everything is good. But what is one main or key thing that we have to do is, and finally do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.